Good morning, guys. Brandon with Burns Lawn Care. Thanks for tuning in. Today we got a busy day ahead of us, so I'm up early. We got a big grading job that we're doing. Well, that's a good sign. The dirt's here, which is good. So now I can go pick up the machine and get it back here and start spreading some loom.
Watch the fenders.
Oh, you're perfect. Straight back. You got it. So good morning, everybody. We're here at the job site. I'm going to show you what we got going on today. It's basically a loom job. We're going to spread some loom and we're going to plant a new lawn in the back for the customer. Okay, well, the homeowner is putting a fence, a vinyl fence, and it's going to run along this perimeter here, straight down. And it's going to come up to this tree here and stop. And then it's going to go down this way, straight down. So we're only grading up to where the fence is going to be, the new fence. So it's from here all the way over. So what Dad's doing now is he's filling in the big craters, the big holes that were in the terrain first. You want to go see Grampy? You want to go see Grampy? Come on.
Mama.
Yeah, that's a trailer. Can you say trailer?
Papa.
Close enough. Brandon, come on, let's go see Grampy. Let's go. Are you on YouTube? So in case you guys don't know, this is my son, Brandon Jr. Brandon Russell Burnt Jr. And hopefully, he'll be taking over the business someday. You want to go for a ride on the skid steer?
Yeah.
Yeah? Grampy's gonna take you for a ride. Are you excited?
Going.
Are you excited? Go see Grampy.
You gonna drive it?
Brandon, did you put the dirt in there? Did you put it in there? Okay guys, well, we were able to get this section over here done. It's all graded off. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna start putting dirt over here and working our way back. Okay, so we got it all graded off. We started raking it in. Now the final rake will be done when we put the seed down, because we have to rake the seed in anyway. So all the little imperfections will be gone once we rake it out. But I'm pretty happy with it. Came out real nice. This should be a nice yard once the grass seed germinates. So good morning everybody, we're back at the loom job. We're gonna lay down the seed today, and we got some heavy rain coming in, so I decided that it'd be a good idea to aerate the soil, create the seed bed so the seed doesn't wash away. We're gonna aerate it. We're gonna aerate it with the Clapson aerator, the ride-on aerator, and I'm basically just gonna go over the whole yard, till it up real good, make a nice seed bed, and then we're gonna put down the starter fertilizer and the grass seed, and should come in nicely. All right, so we got it all aerated. Looking really nice. Pulled some nice plugs. Now, I know some of you are gonna say, why are you aerating fresh soil when you could just drop spread it and work it in with a rake? Well, the answer to that is simple. We have heavy rains coming in, so I don't want any of the seed to wash away. So a technique that I do that seems to work for me is to core aerate the entire yard, drop seed it, and then rake the seed in. So what happens is the seed falls into these holes, and this becomes a seed bed. So now the seed can't wash away. So when I drop all the seed in, it doesn't matter how much it rains, it's not gonna wash away. All right, well, it's all seeded. So now I'm gonna take the rake, the grading rake, and I'm gonna lightly rake it all in. And then I'm gonna go over it one last time with the spreader, just to make sure that we got good coverage. And that'll be it. All right, so I got it all raked out. Now I'm gonna go over it one last time with some seed, put it on heavy again, and that'll wrap it up. All right, so I ended up aerating this area here, and I did that because where we renovated over here, where the dirt pile was, I didn't want there to be a hard line from new grass to old grass, so I core aerated this and seeded that as well, so it blends. So all the grass seed is down. We put it on pretty heavy. It's looking good. So I'm guesstimating roughly 2 weeks, and you should start seeing grass back here. I don't want to walk on it because I don't want to mess up anything, but we're going to monitor it. We're going to water it for the customer. That was part of what she's paid for. So if for any reason there's bare areas, I'm gonna hit it again and reseed it. But all in all, I think we should be okay, because we got good seed to soil contact. So only time will tell.
Well, two guys working steady. That's the name of the game.
Yep.
Short lunch, start early, and get her done.
My whole body's sore.
Well, I'm tired. Believe it or not, just running the controls.
Oh, yeah.
Turning your neck.
Yep.
Those machines aren't bad. I mean, they do a really good job, but
I thought it graded like incredible.
they graded really good, but it's poor visibility in the cab, so you got to be careful there's nobody behind you. And the mirror that's on there is not very good.
Yeah.
You look at yourself. basically what it is.
Yep.
But if